Max Pool?
Yeah,
It's alright, it took up 2 months for free time. A lot of free time. A lot of cheeky kids as well, like, you know.
You get them everywhere.
Aye.
Hey Cam.
Nice meeting you. And you too. Hope I'm not going to be on television or YouTube or something.
No, you will be.
Oh, well, never mind. All the best.
Take care.
Have a good day.
What's that?
You think they've never seen a townie before.
I know. So it always happens.
And
So.
somebody well dressed, you know. It's a good job, I mean, job. I've seen it on Facebook or the page.
No. The path just goes all the way up.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, you enjoy your day.
We will do. We didn't hear the band do it.
Oh, perfect.
Throw a couple of YC Danny talented fighters on it. Catch you later, all the best. I was here 50 years ago when the last parade was on. Aye, 50 years I think, because I live in the farmhouse just above the swimming pool. So we're down in Campbellton, I think it was in 67 or 68. I got the freedom there as well. Pipe Ranger Bedonk was in charge. Right, we'll see you later.
Oh, so cute. I want a pet like that. Thank you.
No, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good morning. Where's the rest of them?
Huh?
Right, mate. How good are you? All good, you? Yeah. Right, sit down here. Huh? No. It's a diamond. Corey Plant Major, diamond. White Major? Another half, have they? Have they? Oh, you got it. Nice to show off.